All right, this is my review of the Etekcity LED camping lantern. Why is it so cool? So it's pretty compact, especially for the light it gives off. But let me just show you how you even get it working. So you just unscrew the bottom here, and then you've got three, what are these, double A's? Yeah, you've got three AA batteries that just go right in there. So, if things go, you just need batteries. That's all you need. So if you're out in the middle of nowhere, this can still work. Here's the cool thing about it. You can pull these up, bring it up like that, and there's your LEDs. It lights up really well when it's dark. It's also just super versatile because you can just put those down at the side. If you want to carry it, you can carry it. But if you can even put it on like a side table. Like it could be like almost like a nightlight if you need it sometimes just by your bed. Or just put it like on with like the side table by where you sleep or something like that. But super easy to use, super simple. Highly recommend. Probably get a few of these if you go camping with your family. And all you need is some AA batteries to keep it going. Give it a shot.